Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find trending topics on RedNote. If you want to discover what's popular on RedNote, you can use the app search and discovery features to find trending topic, hashtags and creators. To get started, you need to open the RedNote app. So from here, what you need to do is you need to select to this top icon that says explore and simply select that explore there. And here you can find this for you, trend, live, help and advice. You can simply select trend. So over here you can find any of the trending topic to view for related videos, photos and posts from other users. You can scroll through the content to see what's trending and how creators are participating. And if you're looking for a specific niche, you can also select the search icon in the top right. And there you can simply enter a keyword or hashtag, or you can type down trending and select search. And over here you can find all of the trending videos or the post, and you can also follow trending creators or save posts that inspires you. And that is it. That's how you can find trending topics on RedNote. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.